Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. RUNE has reversed in the communicated micro support region and could already be on the way to 852 next. Yeah, so we talk about that in this video. Remember that we had a nice, support zone here for the main wave 4, which could now send the price higher into that region between 863 and 1432. Possibly, and I haven't got a clear target for wave 5 of 5 yet, but probably more at the higher end of this larger zone up there. Yeah, maybe $12 to $14 for circle wave 5. At the moment, it seems like the larger degree wave 5 is unfolding. That could be a more substantial top up there because the 5-wave pattern will complete, which started in June last year. Or was it September? Let me just double check that. I think it was June. Started in June last year. It's a 5-wave move, and these 5 waves complete in this region. Yeah, so this is a larger target area here for a 5th wave between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension. In addition to that, we can calculate targets a different way. We take that initial 1-2 setup. And then we're looking for, 1280 is a common one as well. 1280 to 1432 would be very, very common target to complete this pattern when there could be a substantial top. I think it's reasonable now to think about profit taking. Maybe not yet, maybe starting at around 850, 860, and then, sort of take the, let's say, take the principal out, take the principal off, but just leave anything in there that is profitable, and just basically no risk trade when you take out what you put in initially. For example, if you entered in this zone, we had another zone here for this wave 2, which I took off the chart now because we don't need it anymore. But yeah, just to share some thoughts about profit taking, because typically the 3rd wave, when we're getting here into this region between 850 and 1050, this is where the 3rd wave in such a pattern here should finish ideally. At least it is a common target area, and then the highest probability element of this rally is done. Yep, 4-5 is nice to have, but just always think about what does it mean from a reward to risk point of view. Typically, it can be reasonable to take profits at the end of a 3rd wave. So the idea is within this larger wave 5, we completed a wave 1, circle wave 1 here in February. Had circle wave 2 completed. That was here early in March at around 445. Yeah, that was on Tuesday. And then this strong reaction to the upside, a 3rd wave rally. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The microstructure I communicated to you is still unchanged. We have a 1-2-1-2 setup here. 3rd wave rally. That likely topped. And we talked about, 4th wave here. Gave you a support zone. And now the 5th wave to the upside could be unfolding. Targeting, around about 850, 860 next. Then we should still get another 4-5 possibly to complete circle wave 3. Alternatively, we might not get this 3-4 here. Yeah, and it's already here. That's in yellow. Okay, yellow count already indicate. There are different ways of counting it. Looking at microstructures really sometimes is not quite clear. Okay, what exactly is the micro pattern? Is it a lower degree 3-4 here, or is it already the larger degree? Just, that just means basically that the next high could form a top in circle wave 3 already. Okay, an additional 4-5 pattern is nice to have. And then once circle wave 3 is complete, I can give you a target for, or a support zone for circle wave 4. Again, also just nice to have, but ideally we are moving sort of towards that, what was it, 1280 to 1430 level eventually. Just be aware that after a 3rd wave, things can always fail. But so far, it's looking good. Support did hold. At the moment, I would not change the support region. I would keep it relevant, basically between 639 and 720, because it could be that it's just doing this A, B, C, and then we go. Yeah. So it has only really touched, but a few times, the top of our support zone here. But it hasn't broken above the last high. And it needs to break above that $8 level, which is the swing high, Friday's high, to confirm that we are in wave 5 of wave 3. Yeah. Until then, it's possible that this wave 4 is still unfolding and extending maybe a little bit lower. But it's looking good. Nice initial reaction. I mean, $7.20 is the 23.6 fib level. We're now at 7.76, so decent move already from the lows. Hope you liked the update about Rune. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.